First of all, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for all our listeners and people who's willing to come and join us in this press presentation. Kawayan is really a innovative city right now, and I think this is really the right place for us to come and join the people here to promote the tourism destination in our city and province as well.
And so far, kumusta ang pagtanggap ng Kawayan sa mga candidates natin as well as the organizer?
Okay, actually ang mga Ilocano naman is very hospitable and friendly. So, still very friendly naman ang mga pagtanggap sa atin.
What are the challenges na kinaharap niyo na po?
Actually, ang challenges natin ngayon ay yung distance from Manila. Kaya yung mga candidates natin, they have all this challenge na ang layo naman. So, some back out. Actually, we got lots of potential candidates but back out because of the distance of the place.
So far, ilan po ba talaga lahat dapat?
Dapat sana talaga is 25 and then nag-trim down to 20. And actually, this morning, they're not responding, two of them. So maybe because of the distance also and the financial, difficulty maybe. Because joining a pageant is really very expensive, especially joining Miss Tourism Philippines, because we got lots of requirements. We have the video presentation. You have to present your place by promoting your tourism destination. So that is really one requirement, and it's really very it's a really very tasking job and very expensive. So that is also one of the reasons why some back out.
Given that kind of qualification, bago makapasok, what are we expecting sa Tourism 2025?
Okay, you're expecting we're expecting candidates and winners who could be ambassadors in their town, province, or in their municipality. A person who can really promote their emerging destinations or their local traditions, customs, arts, and someone who can really promote our country, the Philippines, around the world, because we will be sending also our winners to the international scene.
Lastly, ma'am, invitation sa Isabelinos and nearby provinces.
Okay. Again, thank you for inviting us, and also to Mayor Cesar D. of Kawayan City. Thank you, Mayor, for giving us this opportunity to be with you for the search of Miss Tourism Philippines 2025. And please come and join us as we do the coronation on October 16 at the Convention Center. So please join us, all Isabelinos, from the south and north. Come and join and see the beauty of our Filipinas around the Philippines.
Thank you, ma'am, and good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for all of you, and mabuhay. Naimbag nga aldaw tayo amin apo, da kayo aming nagdingdingag. Magandang umaga.